Hi everyone, this is Neha Jain. I'm a superwoman. So today we are here for a podcast for all women in choice. So mind you, this is not your average one. Let's go for it.
Hi Mahima, how are you? Hello, hi, how are you?
I am good too. Hi Neha, I'm good.
Hi ma'am, I'm good. How are you?
My God, when you start calling me ma'am, it feels like I'm a little aged-old girl. The first question to you would be, what are some of the funniest yet most frustrating stereotypes women face?
So this is like more of the women will connect to this. So while going anywhere, if the woman drives or rides bike or drive anywhere, the main comment from men comes is "Aaj marne wala ho, mera insurance hai," or something like that. So that is the most frustrating, annoying, but yet funny. So this
Yes, I know, even I drive. So most of the times whenever a person is crossing or overtaking me, they always say like, "Arey, women driver hai." So what can else be done? But then I always say that women are better drivers than men.
of course.
So most funny that I basically know and that I also face is the woman cannot drive. Yeah, so this is very funny because I saw many women, especially my mom also, who drives very well.
Okay, yeah. That's common.
Many on the list, but to quote one, that women are not good at investments. So my message to everyone is, please come and meet the girls at Choice.
Absolutely. Wow. That's really great. And I think yes, they should come.
You should come and see us how good we are at making
True,
investments and finance.
What's the most ridiculous career advice you have ever received?
Not yet, I guess. Not yet. Didn't face like that. I am surrounded by men who are career ambitious and they want me to lead.
So there were some senior elders in my family, like not the immediate family, the relatives. They used to say that ki you just do work from home for 2-3 hours so that you can manage the home also and you can do the other thing as well. So that's that they are pretending that they are very broad-minded by giving me that 2-3 hours.
I would not say it as a ridiculous one, but just to quote that as a woman, I need to balance out my work life and my personal life, like household chores and all. But my question to everyone is, why only women should balance this? And the most disappointing thing, Nia, is that this advices come from a woman. That is the most disappointing thing.
So what's one mistake that turned out to be a career breakthrough?
So from my relatives, for instance, childhood, I have been pressurized for being married early or something like that. So that lead to me be more hardworking and
So when is it going to be?
I don't know.
So the mistake what I feel is that ki during the COVID I took work from home very lightly.
So I would not say any kind of mistakes or any kind of this thing, but there is one personal episode in my life which took me to having a career-oriented woman. So that episode is like, my parents are always worried about me that being a single child, what will I do when they are not there? Me entering into career or getting focused on studies was one of the criteria was that I should make my parents feel secure that she can do it, she can manage everything on her own.
So if there was one rule about women in business you could change, what would it be?
In every month we face through periods. So while periods, I think every business at least for 2 days or 1 day, they must provide work from home at least.
At times it is actually required. So what's one stereotype about women you wish would disappear forever?
So again, coming back to periods only. So while being at home, there are certain stereotype rules like while in periods, women cannot enter in kitchen or cannot touch the drinking water or something like that. So that I think must disappear.
Absolutely. That's one thing which everybody would feel that don't just corner the.
I feel women only cooks. I want it to be disabled. I just want it normal for men also to cook because it's very normal. It is not like women only can cook. So I want this stereotype to be over, really. There is no strange or extra privilege to men who are cooking. Ki, wow, you are cooking. It is normal. We are also cooking. Yeah, and secondly, what I feel ki the men's that like we are giving you authority, but who gave you right to give the authority?
Absolutely.
That we are bad at counting and finance. That is a more stereotype which we need to break.